Hello, I'm CG Ian. This is a quick video to show how to change FPS frames per second in After Effects. After starting After Effects, we can click here to create a new composition, and then we can go to frame rate. We can change frame rate to 30 or other values. I change to 30. So we can press OK to create a new composition. If we select the composition, we can check that this is 30 FPS. And then if we change our mind, we can change the FPS, go to composition and composition settings. We can go to composition settings window and find the frame rate, and we can change to other values. For example, I change to 60 and press OK. So we can see that the composition is 60 FPS now. And then after editing, we can go to render this animation. We can go to composition and choose Adobe Media Query to render. For example, I choose it. And then Adobe Media Encoder is opened. And we can go to Format and click on the bool text. And then we can go to Video and find frame rate here and uncheck the box. And we can go to change another FPS. For example, we can change 30 and press OK. Then we can start Query to render 30 FPS video. Alternative, if we use render queue, I click it. And then we can find render queue here and then go to best settings. We can find frame rate here. We can choose frame rate in 60 or we can choose other value. For example, we can type 50 and press OK. We can go to render 50 FPS video here. So this is how we can change FPS in After Effects. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm CG Ian. See you in the next video. Bye bye.